तेजी हो या मंदी, बाजार की और सच्चा नजरिया। छोटे इन्वेस्टर्स के फायदे को ध्यान में रखते हुए शेयर, फॉरेक्स और कमोडिटी बाजार। दिलीप दावड़ा, आईपीओ एनालिस्ट। कर्नल अजय, एस्ट्रो मनी गुरु, फादर ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजी। देश के हर कोने से एक्सपर्ट की सलाह। अहमदाबाद से प्रकाशित होता हुआ आर्थिक साप्ताहिक द इकोनॉमिक रेवोल्यूशन।
Hello friends, I am Dilip Davada, contributing editor on chittorgarh.com for IPO reviews. I think this week again we have some busy season for the primary market with the two main board IPOs opening on 7th of July. So I am going to discuss with you about the first IPO which is opening on 7th of July and closing on 9th of July. This IPO is from the EPC contractor called GR Infra Projects Limited. This company has definitely posted good performance in the last three fiscals with growth in top and bottom line, and what is more is the company has order worth about 19,000 crore on its hand as of 31st of March 2021. That means this company has no issues for the next 2.5 to 3 years time for its top line and bottom line. And what is more, that company has created its niche place in the critical developments in the road projects, EPC projects, and of late it has diversified into the railway sector as well for the construction work. So I am very bullish for this company's future, and that is why I am strongly recommending to apply for this IPO with a long-term perspective, because this company is offering this share by pure secondary offer, that is offer for sale, and going to realize about 963 crore from the market. The company has fixed price band of 828 to 837 per share, and minimum application is to be done for 17 shares or in multiples thereafter. The company's pricing of the IPO is almost at around 9 PE, which augurs well, because if we see the peers, the average PE of the peers are in the range of 16 to 17. So this company has reasonably priced its IPO. It has good financial performance as well as good projects on hand, and is also continuing to bid more and more projects and diversifying its activity, not only remaining confined to northern or the eastern part, but it has now moved towards southern and the western region as well. So friends, you can definitely consider investment in this IPO for long term, but before that I would suggest you to consult your financial advisor and then take a final call. But from my side, this is a really worthy bet for long-term perspective. And as we know, government has already put major thrust on the infra developments, and we are going to see more developments in the road building as well as the other infra developments like airports and other bridges for the railways and all these things. So this company is definitely worth considering for investment for long term. Thank you.